If I go back, I think Anand was maybe in the third or fourth grade when he had joined Vaishali, or maybe earlier. And that time Vaishali was only giving summer workshops. And I remember that there were these summer workshops were much looked forward by Anand, but they were also at the same time a big teaser for him because that's the only time he had Vaishali, and that's the only time he really had good drama skills given to him. And thankfully, I think recently, 2 years ago, Vaishali has now started her regular round the year program, which ends in a performance also, and it is attached to an international certificate too. And this has been absolutely fabulous for Anand because now he's getting theatre education in a slow dose, in a regular, systematic manner around the year. So it's actually like studying a subject. And with this, his connect with the teacher, with theatre, with his peers is only going deeper and deeper. And if I really dissect Anand's personality and how theatre or drama has affected his personality, or how this regular dose in slow doses has affected his personality, I think I can just go on talking about it. There's been a huge visible changes, not changes, but huge visible positive sides of his personality that have come out.